Today we can study the method of factorization, finding solutions of quadratic equations by factorization. Okay, so question number 1, we can see by factorization method we are finding the solutions. Solve. So first question we can select x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Suppose the given equation is this. Okay, so after getting the equation, you have to write the values of a, b and c. A, b and c. That is coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and the constant term. So that we can write first. What is the value of a? X square term only here means the coefficient is 1. Now b equal to the coefficient of x, that is 7. Then c, constant term, that is 10. Okay, so the values of a, b and c you got. Now you have studied the splitting middle term method. So that method we can apply here. That is, we are finding two numbers such that their sum equal to b and their product is ac. Two numbers we are guessing such that their sum equal to b. What is b here? 7. Okay, so the sum is 7. Two numbers we need to select such that their sum is 7 and their product equal to AC. AC means the product of A and C, that is A equal to 1 and C equal to 10. So 1 into 10, 10. So we need to select two numbers such that while we are adding these two numbers, the sum is 7. If you are finding the product of the numbers, you have to find 10. Okay, so can you say such numbers? Can you select such numbers having their sum 7 and product 10? Very easy to find. For that the method is, just you write the factors of the product. The product is given here, it is 10. The factors of 10. Which are the factors of 10? Can you say 1 into 10, then 2 into 5. Any other factors? No. So only 2 pairs are here. And then you check that is sum. Sum equal to 7. We need the sum 7. So which two pairs gives the sum 7? 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Okay. So we can select the numbers 2 and 5. So two numbers you got 2 and 5. Clear? So here it is the sum 7 and the product is 10. We have selected two numbers 2 and 5. Now splitting the middle term. That is this splitting this middle term 7x we are splitting as two parts. That is, from here we can write x square plus 7x. We are going to split by using these two numbers 2 and 5. That is 2x plus 5x. You know 2x plus 5x equal to 7x. Understand? So we are splitting this middle term 7x as 2x plus 5x. This method you have already studied in polynomials chapter. Okay, so that is equal to 0. Next step. Do you remember the next step? From the first two terms, select any common factor out. The same way, from the third and fourth also you have to select a common factor out. X square plus 2x, which is a common factor. We can see here x is a common factor. So x into, what is remaining here? X. Okay, because x into x gives x square. Then plus x is taken out. So what is remaining? 2. Clear? So x square plus 2x. First two terms, from these two we are selecting x as a common factor outside. Then plus 5x plus 10, which is common factor 5 we can select. What is remaining here? X. Plus here 10 is there, so 5 taken out means 2 is remaining. Understand? If any confusion, just you multiply again. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Then that is equal to 0. Now you can see that inside the bracket x plus 2. X plus 2, here also x plus 2. So it's a common factor that we can select out. That is x plus 2 into these two common factors we have selected outside. X plus 2 into what is remaining in the first? X. remaining here? Plus 5. So x plus 2 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Now it is very easy to find. The product of these two equal to 0 means either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So that is x plus 2 equal to 0, or we can write x plus 5 equal to 0. Understand? Now what is the value of x here? This plus 2 becomes negative 2. And here, or otherwise, what is that? X plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to what? Negative 5. So which are the two values? Negative 2 and negative 5. You got the values of x as negative 2, or otherwise it is negative 5. Our next question is, second question, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here also we have to write the values of a, b and c. So a equal to 1, b equal to, what's the value of b? The coefficient of x, that is negative 5. Negative 5. Then c equal to 6. Here also we need to select two numbers such that their sum is b and the product equal to ac. So here we are selecting sum equal to b. What is b? Negative 5. And the product equal to what? ac. ac, that is 1 into 6. 6. So you need to select two numbers such that their sum is negative 5 and their product is 6. And here we can see that if the product is positive, here one negative sign is there. That is why if the product is positive, we can select either two positive numbers or otherwise two negative numbers. If product is positive, then both are either positive or both are negative. Okay. Then here the sum is negative. If the sum is negative, you have to select both the numbers negative only. Okay. So here negative 5, therefore we need to select two negative numbers only. Now which are the numbers? The number is 6 now. So 1 into 6, 2 into 3. These two pairs of factors only. So here we can say that 2 and 3 are the two numbers because their sum is negative. If we are adding negative 2 and negative 3, we are getting negative 5 as answer. Okay. So the two numbers negative 2 and negative 3. Any confusion? Now their product is, see that negative 2 into negative 3 means it becomes positive 6. Negative into negative is positive. Now splitting middle term. So first x square, then this minus 5x we have to split by using these two numbers, that is negative 2 and negative 3. So negative 2x and next one is negative 3x. So minus 2x and minus 3x. This becomes minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Then it is very easy. X square and minus 2x. So x is common. Then what is remaining? X minus 2. Very simple, no? Then here these two terms, you see here it is negative 3x plus 6. If third term is negative or third and fourth are negative, then we have to select negative sign outside. Negative sign outside. Here negative and which is common? 3 and 6. So the number 3 common. So minus 3 into, and what is remaining? X. Then here it is positive 6 given here. See that if we are taking negative sign outside, this number becomes negative. So what is remaining? 2. That is equal to 0. If any confusion, just you see that negative 3 into x. Negative 3x. Then what is negative 3 into negative 2? That is positive 6. Understand? So here this positive sign you have to select as negative into negative. One negative outside, the remaining negative here. Clear? Now x minus 2. You can see that x minus 2 is common. So that we can take out what is remaining? X and minus 3. That is equal to 0. Then first factor equal to 0. Second factor also equal to 0. Which are the values of x? x equal to minus 2 becomes positive 2, and here x equal to minus 3 becomes positive 3. So the two values are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Understand? Next question is x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Here both the terms are negative. Now we can write the values of a, b and c. Okay. So a equal to, what is a equal to? 1. X square only, so it is 1. b equal to, coefficient of x it is negative 2. Then what is c equal to? Negative 8. Okay. So here also we have to find two numbers such that their sum is b and product is ac. So we can see sum equal to b. b means what? Negative 2. And product equal to ac. ac means 1 into negative 8. 1 into negative 8 it is negative 8. Now we need to select two numbers such that their product is negative 8 and their sum is negative 2. So if the product is negative, you have to remember, if the product is negative, one number is positive and the next is negative. So both the numbers are of different sign. See, one positive and the other is negative. Now here it is 8. The number is 8. So the factors are 1 into 8, then 2 into 4. Any other numbers? Any other factors? No. Now here it is the sum. Sum is negative 2, that is given. But remember, if one number is positive and the other is negative means actually adding these two numbers means subtraction. That is subtracting larger minus smaller with the sign of the larger number. Okay. So addition of one positive number and one negative number means larger number minus smaller number with the sign of larger number. And that answer is given as negative 2. Therefore, we can say that negative number is the larger one. Negative number is the larger one. And also remember, the difference we are selecting. No, difference means the two numbers we need to select such that their difference is 2. Their difference is 2. So, here among these two pairs of numbers, we have to select with the difference 2. So, 8 minus 1, 7 you know. So, 4 minus 2, you can see it is 2. So, which are the two numbers we can select? 2 and 4. Take care. 2 and 4 are the numbers. Their product is 8. 2 into 4 it becomes 8 and their difference is 4 minus 2 it is 2. Now, fix the sign. Here you can say that here the sum is negative means the larger number is negative. So 4 we have to select here and positive 2. Understand? See, two numbers we are selecting such that their sum is negative 2. See the numbers negative 4 plus 2. So it becomes negative 2. Their product is negative 8. Now by selecting these two numbers we have to split the middle term. That is x square minus 2x we are splitting, that is minus 4x and plus 2x. You can write these two numbers in any order. Plus 2x minus 4x also possible. Okay. Then minus 8 equal to 0. Clear? Now you can see x square and minus 4x. Which is common? X. So x into x minus 4. Then plus. If the third term is positive, we can select plus. And 2 and 8, which is common 2 only. So 2 into x minus 4 again, that is equal to 0. See that 2 into x 2x, 2 into 4 8. Now x minus 4, which is common node. So x minus 4 taking out, what is remaining in the first? X. And here it is plus 2, that is equal to 0. Now we can see x minus 4 equal to 0 or otherwise x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to positive 4 or otherwise x equal to negative. Understand?